Welcome back. So to completely understand the NFT world and exactly how a JPEG end up selling for $69 million, we first need to understand exactly where this world originated. And to do that, we need to jump into a time machine together and fly back to the late 1990s, where this all began. So, welcome to the late 1990s. We are at the beginning of what is now known as Web 1.0. And for the first time ever, people across the world are connected to this revolutionary technology that we now know as the internet. There has never before been this easy to access information. A search engine start popping up to actually help you search all this information and get what you need in a matter of milliseconds. Shopping without leaving your home, stuff popping up, and even streaming your favorite game, basketball, football, cricket, all from the comfort of your office or home. I mean, this stuff is pretty basic to talk about now, but really put yourself back here and try to imagine what it's like when newspaper, TV, and radio are the only way to connect with a mass amount of people at once. It was journalists scrambling overnight to get newspapers printed by dawn. Early risers rising as quickly as possible to learn about new things. Then, if you want the answer to a simple fact, like what is the average temperature of Bali, you would have to literally go to the library, get a meteorology book, find Bali, and get the average temperature of Bali. And that book was probably printed 8 years ago. Or you could try ask your dad. And
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Papa. I'm sorry.
so, Google, Ask Jeeves, Yahoo, they all revolutionized the way we learned and researched. You can think of Web 1.0 as an information revolution or a read-only web, a static one-way street of information flowing from the internet to you. So let's jump back into our time machine now and we travel forward just a few years ahead. The year is now 2004. There is a little company known as MySpace. It's not the first of its kind, but it is the biggest. It's a layer on top of the World Wide Web of information that will change the way we use the internet. It is a website that allows you to customize it. You can put your own photos on it. You can put your own music on it. You can sort which ones are your favorite friends, which one are your least favorite friends. And for the first time ever, you are now a content creator and the web is no longer static. It's not the read-only internet you were used to in the late 90s. With the introduction of community, content creation, and personalization, you are now part of what's called the read and write web. On the back of this cutting-edge technology of social media, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, LinkedIn, they started to progress it. Instead of just anonymously finding information or streaming your favorite radio station from the office, you now have a complex web of an online persona. It seems silly to most people, but digital identity, that's not actually in the real world, is just all online. But now some people even spend more time online than offline. You can't even use a lot of websites these days unless you create your own online persona and sign into their own infrastructure. You know, there's annoying pop-ups that need to put an email address in there. They are the ones that are making it more dynamic. Social media and online avatars and profiles have made the internet three-dimensional. You're not just the audience of the internet reading information passively, but now you are the creator of the web. Fast forward back to today. There is a small problem with being the creator of the internet's content. There is a dark side to this bustling new world. This user-generated content, your shopping behaviors, your videos, your images, and even just information about where you live or what you like to do is not actually owned by you. You create it, but it's not yours. It's owned and sold and get kept by these big corporations that created that opportunity. Facebook, Twitter, Amazon, they can decide what you can or can't say. They are the ones running ads and getting paid for the content that you created. They can even ban you from accessing their website because, well, it's their website. But there is good news. News that allows the little guy, me, and you to take our power back. a revolution. We are in the early stages of that. Will democratize power to everybody. This is the Web 3.0, the world of NFT. So, if you want to break the shackles of Web 2.0 and find your power back, stay tuned for the next videos because I'm gonna decipher about the NFT and the metaverse. Bye.